Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be taking care of a trim piece here on the Wagon. Whenever you're working on a piece of trim like this, it's great to have a set of these plastic tools right here. They really make it easy. Now, they do also have some metal ones, but we like the plastic ones because they're not going to damage the metal or the plastic piece that you're trying to remove. Now we've got our replacement part here, we've got our plastic tools, and here's the part that we're going to replace. So we're going to get started by cleaning up, and then we're going to see how we can replace this. There weren't a lot of instructions in the Mercedes manual. They said simply remove the side sill, but we're going to give it a shot. We've got the replacement part. Let's see how it goes. One of the questions we had, is the Wagon Sill Scuff plate the same as the sedan? And after searching and looking at the part numbers, we found it is the same. And it looks like the same size. It's a good thing we've got the replacement part here so we can see where these mounting points are. Feel for it here. Using some waterless wash, of course. Now, is anyone ever going to see under here? Probably not, but we'll know it's there. So we want to get it nice and clean. And in with the new. And there you have it.